For most of human history, night was a wall, a final frontier. When the sun set, the world belonged to fire, fragile, flickering, and short-lived. Candles and oil lamps offered weak, smoky light, expensive, dangerous, short-lived. Humanity longed for something greater, a light as constant as the sun itself. The discovery of electricity sparked bold dreams. Could lightning itself be bottled? Could fire be replaced by a new force, clean, endless, and powerful?
Oh my!
Humphrey Davy's arc lamp roared to life, dazzling but untamed. Too bright, too hot, too dangerous. A raw flash of power, not yet a solution. Inventors chased a stable glow, but every filament failed. Cotton, platinum, graphite, each burned bright, then broke. It was a race. Joseph Swan in England, Frederick de Molins, dozens of unknown pioneers, each chasing the same dream, a light that would outlast the flame. Then came Thomas Edison. At Menlo Park, he turned invention into industry, building not just a lamp, but an entire system of light. 6,000 experiments, 6,000 failures, yet Edison pressed forward, convinced the answer lay within reach. In October 1879, the impossible happened. A carbonized bamboo filament glowed, not for seconds, but for hours. The night had been broken. Night, for the first time in history, had an enemy it could not defeat. Edison knew one bulb wasn't enough. He envisioned power plants, wiring systems, entire cities connected through electric veins. In December 1879, Edison lit up an American street. The crowd gasped. For the first time, darkness surrendered to steady electric light. And the light spread, from New Jersey to New York, from America to Europe. Civilization itself began to glow. Factories no longer slept. The light bulb gave birth to the 24-hour city, and industry was transformed forever. Streets became safer, alive with energy long after sunset. Nightlife was born. In homes, families discovered new hours. Children studied at night. Parents worked longer. The rhythm of life itself was rewritten. Cities no longer slept. From New York to Paris, electricity turned night into day. The light bulb was more than an invention. It rewired civilization, work, leisure, safety, knowledge. From space, the proof is undeniable. Humanity itself has become a constellation of light. From fragile filaments to efficient LEDs, the bulb has evolved. But its essence remains the same, the conquest of darkness. It began as a fragile glow in a glass shell. Today, it is everywhere. So ordinary, we forget it was once impossible. The light bulb was more than an invention. It was a revolution, a fragile spark that forever turned night into day.